What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Little different kind of video here. We bought some stuff here at the as you can see, the 4 state trucks. we did get our stacks, guys, so we got these finally. I'm gonna have to carry them with me and put them on when I can. They don't have time to put them on. They told me that it shouldn't be a problem, but apparently that's a problem. But so I gotta pack these bad boys with me. And yeah, they're gonna send me email me a shipping label, so that's not an issue. They're gonna pay for the shipping to send it back, which is super nice. But I also bought some new taillights because my taillights were giving me issues. What else did I buy? I bought steps, bought the bottom bracket steps here, new brackets and actual new steps, because these are all wore the hell out. And I bought a low base seat, guys, a Bostrom low ride. The problem is I don't know what to do with the one I have in here. Yeah, so this is the Legacy silver seat. It's pretty beat up. Maybe I'll just toss it. I think that's what I'll do, because it's pretty rough the more I look at it. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. And I've already undone the airline. I've kind of moved some stuff out of the way. So we're gonna take this seat out and then put the new Bostrom lowride in, guys. That's exciting. I was trying to get a Legacy low. They didn't have any more. But the Bostrom, she knocked the price down to pretty daggum close. So definitely, it's not a wide base, which a lot of guys seem to like, but it's the mid-back Legacy Bostrom lowride seat, and that thing is super nice. I'm excited to get in here and test her out and see how things go. So we'll yeah, let's get it done, guys. Holy crap. Jeez Louise. I gotta air it back up so I can get the back ones off. Genius. Genius, I tell you. Genius. Alright. So you had to get the bolts out of here and up here. Obviously this is way dirtier than I expected it to be. But I guess underneath the seat, like, who really cleans that? I clean around here and all that, but I'd like to take these out and replace them with new ones that aren't all rusted, or at least take them out, clean them up, and then re-bolt them back down. But let's she's unhooked. I gotta unhook the airline, and we'll go from there. Oh, we got a new box here. This side up. Let's open her up, guys. Try not to cut the seat, right? Yeah, that'd be bad. Yeah, I'll just let him have the old one. I got it out. It's a lot funkier than I thought it was. Ooh, that old girl is low. Now I gotta figure out how to get her out of there. This could be interesting. I've never used Bostrom. I don't know anything about them. Other than a lot of guys use them. A lot of guys seem to like them. So let me set this thing up and try to get this thing out of this box. So the holes don't mount up. They don't line up. Here's the holes. There's these holes. They don't line up. They don't line up at all. I gotta go back in here and be like, hey woman, I need a base. You told me I didn't need a base. Now I need a base. Ugh. All right, guys, we are still at square one. That is the one of the stack boxes. But about this seat, she told me it did not need a adapter plate, and it does. And they were gonna drill the plate out that goes on the bottom of the seat. They were gonna drill this plate to match my plate here, but they have legacy lows. So I'm like, well, I want the legacy low. That's the seat I wanted to begin with. It matches the seat that I have in here. It's just the low base. So that's what I'm waiting on now. So they're gonna put it back together. They said that was fine. It's also a $250 difference. So now I got store credit for 250 bucks. So yeah, waiting on that seat to come in. They're waiting on it to get over here, and they're gonna take this other one back. And I like the feel of the Bostrom. It seemed like a really nice seat. I just wasn't sold on it. I like my Legacy. I like the Legacy silver seat, so I just wanted a lower seat. Plus the one it's pretty rough. Like the more I was looking at it, like it's all split up everywhere, and yeah, it was time for a new seat. So just waiting on that, guys, getting everything buttoned up, trying to put the other parts in the truck. So we'll get all this stuff taken care of, and then see how she rides going down the road once we actually get it installed. So hang tight, guys. All right, guys, we made it to Tulsa. We delivered that last load. Trying to stay out of the wind here. I'm supposed to pick one up today, but it's scheduled for tomorrow at 7 a.m. Which, whatever. I got some stuff I still got to do. I still got to put the steps on in this truck. But I did get this seat installed. The whole debacle with the seat base and all that crap, all that is done. I did get this friggin' Legacy seat in here, guys, and it is super low. Like, she sits so low. Definitely have some driving footage of this thing. I gotta put the skirt back on around it, because that's gonna make things look a whole lot nicer. But I mean, even going all the way up, if I go up, wait for it. I know it's got air. Oh no. I'm out of air. I might have air, no air. But anyway, it doesn't go up very high at all. It's really low. So yeah, this thing is sweet. This is an awesome ass seat, guys. I love it. So something else we need to talk about. Y'all driving box trucks, learn how to drive. Let me show you why.
Tear that up. Oh.
It smacked my daggone bumper trying to pull out. That's frustrating as hell. Other than twisting it real good. And then that, obviously. That seems to be the only damage. I thought for sure he smacked the hood and all that, but he didn't, luckily. So I'm gonna get these steps installed. Let's get that done, guys. ladies and gentlemen. Had to call the guy, the owner, about the box truck to hit me, and I spaced on starting the camera back up. But we got it. Got it all installed. I broke my brush there, so I'm gonna have to do a new one. But other than that, guys, we're good. We are golden. Nice new steps there, and they're a little more solid than these ones. Heard that all the time going down the road. So I'm gonna scrap these, and you can see where these things wear out. They just kind of wear holes in them. And this one's the same way. But these actually, I'll show you all these things. Like this one's already gone. These things are all wore out. They just wear out, and they rattle, and they're just junk. But it's all good. All that's trash. All right, guys, we made it over here to the shipper out here in Tulsa. I'm gonna wrap this one up, but I wanted to show y'all the seat actually installed. So much happened yesterday. I was supposed to pick up my load, and that I explained that a little bit, that they told me no, it's for 7 o'clock this morning. Well, I got here this morning, this guy said no, it was for yesterday. So hopefully they'll be able to get you loaded, and they didn't cancel it or somebody else take it. So it's been a journey the last couple days trying to get everything taken care of. But I got the stacks back here still in the truck. I had them on the floor right here where they were kind of running the back, or running the back of the truck to up here. But I didn't want to have an issue with like a hard break-in, and then they would slide forward and hit the stick and have more issues. So but here, yeah, here's the seat, guys. Sorry, it's pretty early. Didn't get a whole lot of sleep last night. Just didn't sleep well in general. So this Legacy Low is a really nice seat. Same kind of armrest. Everything seems to be the same, other than this is like this just feels better. Feels like a better quality than the regular Legacy Silver. But definitely sits low. I'm gonna kind of give you all a point of view here. So this is like right where my face is, and this is where it was. I mean, y'all remember the point of view driving. I'll definitely have some of that in the next couple of videos. But this the steering wheel, let me move the steering wheel down. I'll show y'all what I'm talking about. I mean, that's almost straight out. It is an 18-inch wheel. And yes, my wheels turned. This isn't aligned that bad. It's just because I shut it off and I didn't straighten it out. But yeah, so the pedals are a lot closer, which is it's different. I see why guys scoot their seats back with these Legacy Lows, because you're a lot closer to the pedals now, instead of being up so high and having to reach out and down. It's almost like sitting in a car. But all right, guys, we're going to like I said, wrap this up. Thank y'all for watching. It's been a crazy ride getting the seat taken care of with the Bostrom deal, and the guy hitting my truck, and oh, I'm ready to go back to sleep, but it's all good. We'll see y'all in the next one. Stay tuned. I'm definitely gonna record this load, Tulsa to going down to Georgia, so stay tuned for that, guys. You guys, I appreciate y'all following along, and yeah, I need to go back to bed. It's too early for all this. Yeah, I'll see y'all in the next one. Y'all be good. Stay safe out there. Let your family know you love them. Thank a veteran. Thank a trucker. Carry a weapon. See y'all.